morning, Vlogmas. Are you sick of me yet? Today we are tackling my room. I will show you in a second, but I'm basically floor to ceiling with piles of clothes. So today we are donating, upcycling, selling, and keeping a few things just to purge my room. I also need to throw out a bunch of just knickknacks and stuff. So there is a reason why, and there is a reason why I mention in a lot of my videos that I'm selling my stuff on Poshmark. So I'm essentially very far along in the process of a new job, and if it happens, I would have to move across the country. So essentially I can only pack what would fit in my Jeep. So I need to kind of pare down the stuff I really like, and I do get a good amount of clothes that I do return a lot, but I do get a good amount of clothes for free from companies. So it's just amassed itself a little too much. So I need to donate a bunch of it. And I'm also looking for companies. Let me know if you know of any. There's some things that they aren't bad, but they're not Goodwill worthy either. Like there might just be like a broken zip or anything. So I'm looking for a company that will upcycle the material and make it into like house insulation or something. So if you know of any companies like that, let me know, because they're not Goodwill worthy, but they're not landfill worthy either. So yeah, we're gonna attempt to get rid of like half of my stuff. If I don't get that job and I don't have to move, at least I will be a little more decluttered. And I feel like when my room is cluttered, I get very anxious. So to declutter a little bit will be a good thing either way, but also give me good vibes that I get that job, because it'd be really fun to move somewhere and maybe start my adult life. How about that? So I'm gonna show you the piles of crap all over the place, and we'll get started. Okay, I think everyone has the chair, and this is mine, and it's pretty high right now. I will admit these two are blankets that I sleep with, so that's why it's pretty high, but this has gotten up to here. It's been pretty high. And then this is stuff I just hauled, and then stuff I'm selling. The chair pile also kind of just waterfalls down to here, but my dresser, I did a pretty good job decluttering about a year ago. These two were all of those like concert t-shirts and t-shirts that get thrown out in crowds, and I managed to pare everything down, and all those t-shirts are in here. This looks like a disaster right now because then I put sweaters in the middle. So I did do just t-shirts and some sweaters and like layering tanks. But this one I want to get even more decluttered. So I want to half this, and I want to half that. These are tights and stuff, and I feel like none of them fit me. So I want to get like just like one or two pair of tights that actually fit me and throw out the rest. This is a lot of underwear. If you're a pervert and you want some of my old socks and underwear, let me know. I'm desperate for money, but not really. And then this is one of my closets. A lot of these are jackets that I will keep, but then these like drawer things back here, I need to clean these out. These are a lot of old jeans that don't fit anymore. So I need to get rid of like all of those. So this is a lot. And then I have my actual closet. So these are all things to sell. This I'm pretty comfortable with. Like I do go through this pretty often. I'm pretty good with the things in here. Like this is all stuff I like and I wear. So these are like my regular nice clothes. So there shouldn't be too much paring down of this, but my room is just, it looks like hell exploded. This is what you don't see. This, I put my camera here and you see this when I film. So this is the part of my room you don't see. Okay, so step one is done, which is literal garbage and then boxes to recycle. But that was a big chunk of just junk in the middle of my room. Okay, so I think the t-shirt drawer is the bulk of the junk in my room. I used to keep a lot of these things and wear them as gym shirts, but then I was like, I have gym shirts now. And then a lot of these I kept as sentimental items, and then I'm like, I have enough of those. And in the past, when I've gotten rid of sentimental items, I'm sad about it for like 2 seconds, and then once it's out of my mind, it's really out of my mind forever. Like, I have shirts in here from my first college visit, and to colleges I didn't go to, and I'm like, why am I keeping those? So this is a perfect example of a sentimental t-shirt. So I went to a highlighter party in college. So you wear a white shirt and people get to write all over you. And I still have a shirt from that. So, you know, it says, Julie loves this. money makers pointing to my tits, a dinosaur, and then on the back, there's a baby wearing glasses. So it's funny, and when I look at it, I think of that party. Biodegradable, a lot of inside jokes, but like, I don't need this. I don't wear it. College was 7, 8 years ago. So this is fun, but I have a sorority scrapbook that has like these similar memories for me. So it's a sad day, but this theme party shirt has gotta go. But then things like this, like a university t-shirt, this can be regularly donated. Someone's gonna find this at a Goodwill and be like, cool, whatever. So I'm just gonna sort these into keeping, donating, recycling, and selling. These are all probably not gonna sell. I usually just sell the things that are in my closet that still have tags on them, but there are also some things that you can set aside if you want like your friends and family to go through. Maybe they like something, they can just pick it out of your closet. But now I'm just gonna sort through these. And then after I sort through these, obviously organize them, refold them. So also in my donate pile are things that just don't fit me well. Like this is a really great basic cami, but I don't like the material it's made out of, and it always rolls up when I'm wearing it. So it doesn't have any holes in it. It's perfectly fine, but it just bothers me when I wear it. So that one's going. And I'm actually really happy to get rid of stuff because then it's just easier for me to find things when I am looking for them instead of having to dig through everything. I got this Wendy's Where's the Beef shirt as a freebie, and like, as funny as it is, I've never worn it in the 7 years I've had it, so this will find a good home with someone else. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the tights. So I'm just gonna get rid of anything with an obvious hole in it or anything that says small. Also, once you have your keep pile, go through all your leggings and put them on. Make sure there's no holes in the crotch. If there's a hole, just throw it away. Like, these have been to hell and back. Putting all my belts in a bag till I figure out where to put them. Where do you put your belts? I was thinking of putting them in one of these small drawers, but I usually forget where I put them and I'm down to like one. Also, I keep buying these long socks and never wearing them, so bye. Did anyone else ever make their own shapewear by cutting the legs off of control top tights? Because this is clearly the case, and I'm like, I already have shapewear, so these can go. Another DIY shapewear. A lot of my logic with this stuff is too, like, if I was moving tomorrow, would this make the cut? And like, this I used as a Halloween costume. It's a really cute bustier, and I used it for a bunch of different costumes, but I'm like, if I was leaving tomorrow, would I be like, I need this? No. So as practical as it was when I needed it, I have no use for it. All right, this is a bunch of summer stuff, so it's kind of hard to gauge if I'm gonna need some of these, but out of like 3 pairs of jean shorts, I'm gonna need 1. So just trying to pare things down that way. There's also a lot of old Halloween kind of stuff in here. So I'm just gonna like check the zippers and then just donate these. I've also noticed a lot of this is old clothes that I'm like, oh, I'll keep these in case I ever fit into them again. No, like why? It's just taking up space, and if I ever am this size again, I'll just buy new shorts. So it's just stupid for me to keep these. Okay, I thought this was funny. I thought I was fat in high school. This is a little jersey we made. I'm covering up my school name. But little jersey the cheerleaders made to wear on game days, or like the Friday before game days. This is so tight on me. So I think it's so funny that like, I thought I was huge then. Bitch, just wait. All right, so here's the mountain again. Kind of lost my distinct piles, but now I'm gonna go through it again and really weed through things. All right, so these got a hole in the thigh. So it's a good thing I didn't discover that when I'm like in a rush in the morning getting ready. Now I can just trash these. Okay, progress. Everything that was in these two drawers is now just in this one, and there's room to spare. So it's all just like t-shirts, cardigans and sweaters, tank tops, more cardigans, but everything is in one drawer now. Okay, so here is the first round of donations. I still feel like I could do another round of my room and get rid of stuff, but this is the first round of donations. And as you saw, I was starting to do Poshmark. I feel like that takes a little while though, but please check out my Poshmark if you want new with tags stuff. I just don't have room for. I really like it, but it just like never got reached for. Still has nice tags, you know, still in perfect condition. So check out my Poshmark. My bangs look really good, I don't wanna lie. So I think we're gonna do another round of my room just to continue to get rid of stuff. I feel like every time I do this, another package comes, but I'm getting better at returning stuff. And then I did have another pile of like old jeans and just other fabrics that weren't like garbage worthy, but they weren't, you know, donate worthy either. I ended up bringing those to H&M because I know they do some kind of fabric recycling donation with that kind of stuff, just so they get recycled rather than just like thrown out. So let me know if you know of other companies that do that. So again, I think we're just gonna do another round of my room. There's always stuff to get rid of. And I'm feeling a lot less like, ooh, because I feel like all the clutter was making me nervous or just like anxious. So I'm feeling a little better, feeling a lot lighter. So thank you guys for watching. Please check out my Poshmark, and I will see you in the next episode. That sounds weird to say. Anyways, I will see you next time. Bye.